Hello Sudoku fans, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, December the 24th, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So tomorrow is the 25th. It's Christmas Day, so tomorrow there's no paper, and on the Boxing Day, the 26th, is also no newspaper. So we need to wait on Friday. Then we have a newspaper, a new edition of Sudokus. But anyway, let's get started with this one. All right. Let's see. In the last row, I see 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 3, and 7. 1, 3, and 7. The 1, I see here 1, so I cannot put the 1 here. I see there 1, so I cannot put the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here, 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Can we do that with the last column? 3 missing numbers, the numbers are 1, 7, and 8. I see a 1 there, so no 1 in this box. I see a 1 there, so no 1 in this box. The only place for the 1 should be here. So these two are reserved for 7 and 8, 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. I see here 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then an 8 in the last column and 8 in that column, so in the column between, so it's a row, 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Oh, the 8, I could earlier put the 8 here. Now I see the 8. So this must be a 7. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. That means in this column, these 2 numbers are reserved for the 9 and the 3. Yes, I see here over there 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 should be there. Yes. These 3 numbers for this big square are for the numbers 9, 7, and 2. 9, 7, and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 9, 7, and 2. These 2 numbers for this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 6. These 2, 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then, yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. The numbers, I see here 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers for this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Then this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 3, and 7. We have a 4 there, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Only box for the 4 should be here. 3 and 7, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Excuse me. 2 missing numbers for this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in this box. I see a 7 there, so no 7 in this box. The only 2 boxes for the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the middle row, we have a 7 here. The row below, we have a 7 here. So in that row, the only 2 places for 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 here. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Only place for the 9 should be here. I see here 6, so no 6 in this box. 6 should be there, and the 3 goes here. So we have here 2 numbers in the middle row, 3 and 7. That means 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 9. Yes. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the first row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 missing number in this column, the second column, for the number 4. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and a 3 goes here. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 4 and 6. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers of this row for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 5. So we have finished this in 11 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you want. Also, the PDF is also downloadable. You can download it and solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you not tomorrow, not the day after tomorrow, but on Friday. Alright, thank you again, and bye bye.